Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out the HP 255 G10 business laptop, a sleek, lightweight machine packed with features perfect for work, creativity, and staying connected. You can check the current price by following the links provided in the description of the video. Let's dive into why this laptop might be your next go-to. Let's start with the design. This laptop is super lightweight at just 3.3 pounds and has a slim profile that's easy to toss into a bag. The build feels sturdy, perfect for daily commutes or working on the go. It comes with 15.6-inch FHD display, and those thin bezels give it an 85% screen-to-body ratio, making it feel bigger than it actually is. The anti-glare coating helps under bright office lights, and while the 250 nit brightness isn't the brightest out there, it's more than enough for indoor use. Plus, the low blue light mode protects eyes during late-night work sessions. This non-backlit keyboard is comfortable, the keys have decent travel and responsiveness. If you work in dim environments, the lack of backlighting might be a downside. The trackpad is smooth and accurate for everyday tasks. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, this laptop packs an AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor with 8 cores, 16 threads, and a turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz. That's serious power. During my testing, I ran Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and a dozen Chrome tabs all at once, and it handled them easily. When I pushed it hard editing videos while charging, the laptop never overheated. The cooling system is quiet and efficient, which is rare in slim laptops. HP clearly optimized this for long workdays. Connectivity? You're covered. There's 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C, HDMI, and a headphone jack. I plugged in a monitor, mouse, and external drive all at once, no dongles needed. The Wi-Fi 6 kept my downloads blazing fast, and Bluetooth 5.3 paired seamlessly with my wireless earbuds. For remote workers, the HD webcam and dual array mics are a win. The camera delivers crisp, clear video, and the AI noise reduction blocked out sounds in the background. Battery life is solid, HP says up to 6 hours, and in real-world use, I got around 5.5 hours with mixed browsing and document work. The 45W charger charges it up quickly, so you're not stuck near an outlet all day. Who's this for? If you're a business user, student, or freelancer who needs reliability without the bulk, this checks all the boxes. It's not a gaming rig, but for productivity, creativity, and everyday use, it's a winner. After weeks of testing, I'm impressed. The HP 255 G10 delivers good performance, great battery life, and a sleek design, all at a budget-friendly price. If you're shopping for a work laptop that won't let you down, this should be on your shortlist.